Hi friends, you are watching JDK Gardening. In today's episode, let us look into a simple tips to grow successfully the lemon plant and how to get enormous flowering and fruiting. I have purchased this lemon plant from a local nursery. See, this is my 1.5 year old plant, and right now it is bearing more than 25 juicy and ripe lemons. I am growing it in a bucket in my terrace. Growing lemon plant is not that difficult as you provide some basic needs. When you are growing lemon plant in a pot, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Grow lemon plant in a larger pot because its roots does not go too deep but spreads horizontally, and make sure there are a lot of drainage holes at the bottom. Lemon plant can tolerate a wide range of soils, but they prefer well drained and slightly acidic soil. Plant it in well drained potting soil for proper root growth. A stronger root system will produce a good harvest in the end. The potting mix include garden soil, coco peat or sand and compost in equal proportion. Compost may be decomposed cow dung or vermi compost. And also you can add a handful of neem cake powder, which is a natural fungicide. If you are growing the plant in terrace, location is very important because the citrus trees need full direct sunlight or at least 6 to 8 hours for better results. If it gets very less sunlight, it will grow really slow. About watering, lemon plant need consistent watering to produce healthy fruits. Giving too much or too little water can lead to blossom and fruit drop. When the top layer of the soil is dry, water it. In summer, you can water it daily or alternate days. The most important aspect of citrus trees is feeding. All plants of citrus family are heavy feeders, and lemon too requires fertilizer to produce fruits and lush foliage. Lemon plant prefers a lot of nitrogen and magnesium. Fertilize with cow dung compost or vermicompost or kitchen waste compost every 15 days. You can also add Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate once in 15 days. You can also feed banana peel liquid fertilizer once in 20 days to supplement good potassium. This plant is occasionally affected by the pest. Best is the prevention by spraying neem oil or garlic water once in 15 days. Mulching the plant, that is very important here. This helps to keep moisture in the pot, but more importantly, mulching prevents grass and weeds which lemons dislike. About pruning, it is very important to trim or prune at the right time. Prune the diseased, unhealthy, and dry branches because lemon stores excess food in its leaves. When you trim the plant, it looks very nice also. You can make hard pruning after harvesting or in early spring season. When you follow these tips, you can also grow lemons at your home. Thanks for watching. Happy terrace gardening.